What's up, guys? Laz here with the Ecom Profit Academy. I have a very insightful video for you today. We're going to be talking about how to spy on your competitors on Facebook. We're going to be able to see what Facebook ads they're running. We're going to be able to see how they're running their ads, meaning their creatives, their copy, all that good stuff. We're even going to be able to see how much they are spending on their ads. So without any further ado, drop what you're doing. And if you guys are excited, smash that like button because it really helps out the YouTube algorithm. And let's get started. So guys, here we are on Google. This is step number one of what we have to do here. We're going to go on Google and very quickly and easily, we're going to go onto Facebook ads library. It's going to be this one right here, ad library, Facebook. We're going to go ahead and click on that. So what the Facebook ad library is basically, it's something that Facebook gives you so that you can see advertising transparency between all the advertisers that are running ads on Facebook. If you guys remember, there was this whole thing with Trump and the election and the ads and all that good stuff. So this was kind of like a child that was produced, it was conceived during those times. And this is what ended up popping up. So now you can see what everyone is running. It's just a transparency measure so that everyone can see kind of like what everyone's running ads. We can really use that to our advantage because of market research and because we can spy on our competitors, see what they're doing, see what works for them, and kind of apply it to our own stuff. So this works with companies and people, so we can actually see what everyone is running right now. So let's try it out. Let's use one of the more popular examples. I'm gonna put Donald Trump. Let's see what pops up here. So you'll see that you have all of these here. I'm going to click on the main one. So we have a ton of information here. As you can see here, this page was created in April 7th, 2009. Some of the page transparency things. You can see that the people who manage this page, it's 22 people inside the US. So if you want to see if there's Russian hackers or anything, this will tell you who's managing the page, where these profiles are from, all that good stuff. Right here to the right, we have something that's insanely valuable. You can see how much money has been spent on ads. So as you can see here, in the lifetime of this profile or account or page, there has been $40 million spent in ads. And this is just one of his pages. He probably has more. Well, as you saw, he has a few. So this is just one page that has run $40 million in ads. And in the last 7 days, as you can see here, from May 20th to May 26th, he's ran just under $1 million, $933,000 in ads. So as you guys can see, this is extremely valuable. You can see how much they're running in ads. So you can get an idea of how much traffic is being run and all that stuff. If we continue on down, we can actually see what ads are being ran at this very moment. As you can see here, these that show active, that means that they're running right now. So you can see, and they started running on May 27th. So literally today, that's when I'm filming this video. And then it gives you basically the ad copy, join the team, download the official Trump 2020 app today. And it gives you their picture, everything. You can even click on this and see where this is taking you. This is taking you to some sort of app. I'm not going to click it, but if you want to dig that deep, you can. Going even further, you can click right here and see ad details, and it'll kind of show you a breakdown of who is seeing this ad. So as you can see here, you have male, female, men, women, and then unknown, and then it tells you by age, all the different breakdowns. So guys, this tool, it's absolutely insane how powerful it is and how like detailed you can get into these ads. So you can see here, it tells you where the ad was shown the most. So you can see here, the darker ones are the ones that were shown the most. Texas, 10%, Florida, 9%, California, 4%. Usually the states with more population, those will get hit the hardest. But yeah, you can even dig deeper into this as well. So this is extremely valuable. Now, I mean, this is just one example. You can keep going down here and you can see literally everything that has been ran from this account. All the ads, all the creatives, videos. Let's see. So hilarious. I'm not going to play that. I don't want the video to get like taken down from YouTube, but you guys get the idea, right? So there is endless amounts of possibilities here. You can literally go through everything, see everything that was ran, really get a lot of ideas for your marketing and all that good stuff. So this was just one example with Donald Trump, the president of the United States. We can also look at companies. So let's check out a company now. One that's really popular right now, Manscaped. So let's check that one out. So Manscaped, as you can see here, they're running a lot of ads. So I have seen this happen a few times, and I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. Sometimes in the page transparency, for whatever reason, sometimes it's a little delayed and it won't show how much they have spent on ads. That just is part of it. Sometimes it shows it, sometimes it doesn't. This one, for whatever reason, it's not showing anything. But if you scroll down here, you can still see all their ads. You can still see the ad copy that they're using, all that good stuff. This, guys, is essential to your business. You can see what your competitors are running. You can see what the guys all the way at the top are doing. So whatever your company sells, you can see what the top of the line companies are doing, what's working for them, what ads are they spending the most money on, which ones are the ones that they keep running over and over and over again. And literally, like, take that and use it to your advantage. Run some of those ads yourself, put up ads similar to those, really dial that in. So you can see here, they're really promoting this weed whacker thing. And they have, it looks like some customer testimonials, some like surprised looking dude shaving his areas down there. But yeah, guys, you can really get a lot of ideas. There have some videos here of a guy talking to a plant, looks like. Really, like, you guys can get so many ideas from this. Yo, Ish, tell me a company you like. All right, Ish said Microsoft. Let's check out Microsoft. All right, so Microsoft has a ton of ads. So guys, right here, as you can see here, this is one of their pages. They have a ton of people running their page. As you can see here, 100 people from the US, 9 people in India, 4 in Argentina, 3 in UK, 2 in Spain, 1 in Canada, 1 in France, Greece, Paraguay. Literally a bunch of people running this page. It was created in 2008. And since the page started, it has spent $286,000. Again, guys, this number, for some reason, it's not very accurate sometimes. Because the reason I say that is because I've ran ads, I've checked my own page, and the number just doesn't match up. So sometimes it's not accurate, sometimes it's delayed, but it is a good way to get an idea. If you see a lot of money there, then chances are that whatever they're running is working. And here we can actually check this all out, guys. So we can see, again, ads, all the ads that they're running. We can see their copy, what's working for them, what type of creative they're running. So here it looks kind of like they have like a picture and text type of creative. Hasn't really ever worked for me, but maybe, you know, that's a new style that's working. Guys, use this to your advantage. There's also a bunch of filters here. So if you want to see what is being shown in different countries, maybe that's something that you want to look at. Maybe something that is being advertised in Canada or the UK or in Australia or whatever. You want to see in that specific area what they're advertising. You can use that as well. You can see active and inactive ads. You can see impressions. So like what ads got the most impressions in the last day, what got the most in the last 7 days. I'm going to put last day just to check it out. So you can see here, these are the ones that they're running the last day. You can break it down by platform. So was it ran on Facebook? Was it ran on Instagram? Was it ran on the Audience Network, through Messenger? All that good stuff is for you to check out at your disposal. That's what makes this super powerful. All right, so we're gonna do one more, just because, why not? Ish, give me another one. Who should we look up?
David Dobrik.
David Dobrik? All right, let's check out David Dobrik. Very popular YouTuber. See what he's running ads to, if he's running ads. Let me see, David Dobrik. Yeah, for sure David Dobrik is running ads. It says that his page was created in 2015, February. He has a lot of people from Canada running his page, some US, some Ireland, some New Zealand. There's the stuff he's running. It looks like he's kind of promoting Fanjoy. It looks like some sort of clothing line or something. But yeah, guys, you guys can see everything. You guys can see all the ads he's running. He's running some videos, some pictures, Swipe up to get this merch. Looks like he's promoting some merchandise. Yeah, most of it looks like merchandise, but you guys get the idea, right? You guys can really check out really what anyone is running in ads right now. You guys can check that out. And I think it's super powerful, something essential to every single business. Highly recommend that you guys go ahead and do that ASAP. Whatever competitors, people in your industry, check them out, see what they're running, use that to your advantage and grow. All right, guys, so make sure you smash that like button. It really helps out the YouTube algorithm. We're going to be dropping videos like this every single Friday, so be on the lookout. If you guys want to see more like that, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so it will notify you when one of these videos drops. We're going to try to be putting out content like this just so it could be super helpful to you guys. Really want to help you guys grow. And that's it. That wraps up this video. So, guys, take care. I'll see you later.